So you want to become the most famous local real estate agent. Why is that? Because deep down you know that it's not about being the most sincere and the most knowledgeable realtor. It's about that perception. And what do I mean by perception? You know, all these famous realtors were putting their face out there on bus stops or on buses and on big billboards here and there. They are creating that perception. Perception means like people see them as the most trusted, most successful, most experienced, most knowledgeable realtors. And that's how they are building their brand, and that's how they are building their identity, and they are making people think about them. So because of this perception, people wants to work with them. Instead of these realtors making cold calls, not knocking the doors or chasing cold leads, they are generating warm leads. People are calling them, they want to work with them, and they are the local famous realtor. They are the face of their local community. People trust them regardless how experienced, how loyal, and how sincere and how good they are as a realtor. And the famous realtor program is all about creating that perception in your local community about you. The only difference is we are doing it way faster and doing it in a way that it's way lighter to your pocket as well. Here's little about me. Hi, this is Uriya Kiran. I'm real estate marketing strategist. In the past few years, I have generated thousands of real estate leads. I help realtors overcome their camera shyness. I have created their content libraries, and I have interviewed the top local realtors here in Toronto area with only one goal in my mind: to use their success stories to serve my clients better. So I mainly worked as a lead generation company, and what I realized, most realtors fail in lead generation. The reason why, their expectations are not right. They don't understand these leads are cold. They may be working with 5 other realtors at the same time, and if they don't have something different to offer, or they don't have a big brand already built, or there is no trust established beforehand, it is very hard to convert those leads. So they end up following them, calling them so much time, and they get frustrated and they quit lead generation. So if they don't succeed, I don't succeed. Whereas they were paying me big money for these lead generation services. But if they are not succeeding, I also don't feel fulfilled. So I decided to come up with a solution that will help them to succeed as a realtor in the shortest time or period possible. And I know that they need leads, but the only question was how we create better quality leads, the warm leads, where people are chasing them instead of my realtor clients chasing cold leads. This time, I don't want to generate cold leads. I want to create an edge for my clients. And this burning desire of serving my clients at my best given birth to this famous realtor program. There are 3 main pillars of the famous realtor program. Number 1 is building your brand. We use your social media profiles in a way that you stand out as a realtor as compared to hundreds and thousands of other realtors out there. We create some unique offers, some guarantees that only you can offer. Number 2 is maintaining and multiplying your brand, which means if we are not creating good content and it's not consistent, the word consistent is very important here, the beautiful brand we have created initially will do nothing for you. So we have to create a good content that will support your brand, that will maintain your brand, that will multiply your brand. And I'm talking here mainly about video content, because video is the way we build trust. People see us, people connect with us, and if we're talking about the topics that our ideal audience want to learn about, know about, and you are the one coming online and educating and sharing that information, of course they want to love you, they want to like you, they would like to work with you because you are the one who care. Let me share some numbers with you so you know that making videos are very critical if you want to be successful as fast as possible, and if you want people to know you, like you, and trust you the most. 85% buyers and sellers like to work with a realtor who uses videos. So this is how you can boost your brand. 1200 videos get 1200% more share than text and images combined, which means Videos are the one will help you stand out. 73% of homeowners would like to list their home with a realtor who use videos. So you want more listings? Start creating videos and become the local real estate authority. So the third stage is spreading your brand, spreading your content. So say if you are using your Facebook and you have 1,000 Facebook friends and 500 of them are like from back home and 500 others are other realtors and very generic. So who is going to see that content, you know? And if you talk about your Facebook page and if there are few likes, those are the only people will be seeing your content. So we have come up with strategies where we are not only using free traffic strategies, plus we are also combining the paid marketing strategies to make sure you're consistently getting warm leads, you're getting more exposure, you're getting more eyeballs, and people are seeing that content in your local community. 3 stages of the Famous Realtor program: building your brand, multiplying your brand, spreading your brand. So that's all about the Famous Realtor program. And video, we are main focus here about video content, and we have ways, even if you're busy, you are not available, we will be using AI and other new techniques to make sure your content is consistent. It's not like we are posting 1 week and then after 2 months we're posting another videos. If you are not consistent, it's not gonna work. So for that reason, if you're busy, you are not available, you cannot shoot videos all the time, we have so many ways that we can keep it the same way. We can use your face. We will be recording some clips in advance in a way that we can use them very cleverly. So that's all from my side explaining the Famous Realtor program. If you want to learn more about it, click the button below and schedule a call. I will show you everything in more detail in that call. So what you're waiting for? Schedule the call with me below and let's have a conversation. This is a no obligation call. In this call, I will go over this program details, and if you want to do all those things, you can do it yourself. I will give you the blueprint. And if you think like, no, I will not be able to do it myself because I have to learn all the video editing, it's problem to learn how to stay consistent and all those designing and images and everything, you need our help, you are more than welcome. But at least in this call, I will explain everything. You will know what you need to do and what are the strategies you have to implement if you want to use the paid or organic marketing strategies. So you will get so much information. So I'll highly suggest schedule a call. Let's have a conversation. Let's connect and bring your question. I will be more than happy to share as much as value I can. See you on the other side. Show the world what you got, baby. Let's schedule the call below and show the world the real estate celebrity you have inside you.